G'day guys, welcome to Greg's Kitchen. I'll be your host today, Greg. And listen, I've got a question for you. Put your hand up if you've got a hangover. Gee, that's nearly all of you. Just put your hand up. I didn't realise the people that watched my show were all, But that's okay, I'm not judgmental. Of course I am. But today I thought, you know what? If you've got one of these hangovers, I've got the meal for you. Now this morning I'm going to make for you a delicious sandwich. It's a BLT, but we're going to replace the L with some C and add an E. You don't know what I'm talking about? Well, let me show you the ingredients. So my BLT, which has now become a BTEC sandwich, contains bacon, tomato, egg, and I'm replacing the L with the C, which is cheese. Let's face it, who needs some L when you've got some C? So let's start throwing the sanger together. So how about we warm up a frying pan, medium-high heat. We need to start cooking the things that take the longest time to cook. That would be the bacon to start with. And while that bacon's cooking, let's start doing the other things. So we'll grab a tomato, and I'm after some nice thinnish sort of slices. Probably only need 4 per sandwich. And speaking about sandwiches, time to butter the bread. Now I'm using rye today. I really like rye bread. It's my latest thing. It's supposed to be really good for you too. So we get some good amounts of butter on each side of the bread. Don't forget to check your bacon. Yep, that's still cooking. Great. Awesome. No worries. Sweet ass. Now let's start preparing this sandwich. So I'll just gently layer that on top. This will save some cleaning up afterwards. I'll add a slice of cheese. Now a BLT normally has some mayonnaise, so let's put some of that on. This will add some nice creamy greasiness to it. I'll add the tomato on now. Alright, well I can't do much more now until the bacon's ready. How's this going? Oh yeah. Oh, come at me. Oh, you little ripper. Looking great. So I might just turn the heat down a tiny bit. I'll move these all over to one side, the side where the oil isn't. Let me just drain some of that pig fat down to that side there, because that's where I'm going to crack my egg. Now we want to keep the egg in a sandwich size, so make sure you push in any leaking bits. Alright, well, now that that's sort of done something, I'll just give it a quick flip. And that's pretty much that done, so we'll take it off and start constructing this sandwich again. So, I got some egg there. Let's lay on this bacon. Now, barbecue sauce is one of those things, you either love it or you hate it. But I love it on a good bacon and egg sanger. So I'll just put a drizzle on there. And now I'll just top it off with a piece of cheese. And this is going straight back onto the frying pan. Whoosh. So butter side down, I put that one piece of bread. And then I've got the other piece of bread, which I put butter side up there. So nothing there. And now we just got to slowly cook this bad boy until it's golden, crispy and brown on all sides. I've turned the heat down just a bit too, so it's not like burning hot, because I really just want to slow cook this. Now this is a bit of a delicate sandwich, so it's one that you only really want to try and turn over once, or else it'll fall everywhere. So we'll just let that cook for a few minutes on each side. Alright, let's flip this over. Push it in nice and tight. Oh, yes! Just give it a few more minutes to finish off. Then we can dive on in for the old BTCE sandwich taste test. Alright, well, I'd say that's ready by now. Let's cut it up. Alrighty, cut in half. How good does that look? Alrighty, well, here we go. The BTCE sandwich. Bacon, tomato, cheese and egg. Get in my tummy! Oh. Oh, that is... Exactly what I needed. Anyway, there you go. There's a greasy fix for the day. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Remember to show this video some thumb and love. Subscribe for more. Get notifications. Then you'll never miss out on a recipe like this. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook something. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made a delicious hangover sandwich. Instead of an L, I replaced that with some C and E's. What?